Chapter 13. The Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most important natural resources. In other words, we can say that it is a precious gift of nature. The plants grow on soil. All other living beings depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Thus, soil is very crucial for all living beings on the earth. Soil is formed in a very slow process. It is formed when the rocks are broken into tiny particles by the actions of rain, wind, rivers, and streams. An inch of soil is made in a number of years. Different types of soils. The soil particles that are very fine is called clay. If the soil particles are little coarse, it is called silt. And if the soil particles are very coarse, it is called sand. Soil also contains humus, a fertile substance which is the rotten part of dead plants and animals. Humus makes soil more fertile. Soil is found everywhere in the world, but its quality differs from place to place. Different physical features and climate have formed different kinds of soil in India. Types of soil. Let's know about different kinds of soil in our country. 1. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. The soil of northern plains and coastal plains of India are made up of alluvial soil. Almost 25% of India's land surface is covered with this soil. Due to the fertility of this soil, it is suitable for all kinds of crops. Rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and oilseeds are grown in these soils. Alluvial soil. 2. Black soil. As the name suggests, this soil is black in color. This soil is made of volcanic rocks of lava. The presence of lime and iron make this soil black. Black soils are found mainly in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. The black soils are good for producing cotton, oilseeds, millets, vegetables, fruits, sugarcane, and tobacco. Black soil is also known as black cotton soil. This type of soil is mostly found in the parts of Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Sugarcane field in black soil. 3. Red soil. The color of this kind of soil is red due to the presence of lime and iron. This kind of soil is not so fertile, but it becomes productive with the addition of fertilizers. Red soil is suitable for the crops like rice, millet, maize, and groundnuts. Red soil is found abundantly in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, southeastern Maharashtra, and eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh. Red soil. Fact box. The oldest alluvium is called Bhangar and the younger alluvium is called Khadar. 4. Laterite soil. Laterite soil also appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxides. The laterite soil is not fertile as it lacks nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. This kind of soil is not suitable for growing crops. However, with sufficient irrigation, this kind of soil becomes suitable for the cultivation of tea, coffee, rubber, coconut, etc. The laterite soil is found in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, and on the Western Ghats. Laterite soil. 5. Mountain soil. The mountain soil is immature and of low fertility. It is suitable for forest trees, orchid crops, and plantation crops. This type of soil is found in the hilly areas of Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and some other ranges in northern India. Mountain soil. 6. Desert soil. Desert soil is infertile due to the lack of nitrogen and humus in it. By proper irrigation, this soil can be used to grow crops like wheat, dates, fruits, and cotton. This kind of soil is found in Rajasthan and in parts of Punjab and Haryana. Desert soil. Soil erosion. The process of carrying away a fertile layer of soil is called soil erosion. The upper fertile layer of soil is carried away by the natural agents like air, water, etc. It makes the land infertile, turns the fertile soils into desert and leads to loss of crops. Soil erosion is caused due to the following reasons. First, by cutting down trees and forests. Second, by overgrazing the fields. Third, by faulty agricultural practices. Soil conservation. The process of preserving the soil from getting carried away is called soil conservation. Some of the steps to conserve soil are: first, we should plant trees and grass on flat open land, the roots of which bind the soil particles firmly together and can make the soil conserved. Second, by controlling grazing, we can make the conservation of soil. Third, it can be conserved by making terraces. Fourth, it can be conserved by making dams and reservoirs across rivers. Let's remember, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Soil is formed when the rocks are broken into small particles by the actions of natural agents like river, stream, rain, and wind. Black soil is also known as black cotton soil. The process of washing away of the fertile layer of soil is called soil erosion. The process of preserving the soil from getting carried away is called soil conservation. Words: treasure, crucial, important, fertilizer, a chemical or natural substance added to increase soil fertility. Terraced, having steps cut out of a hill so that crops can be grown there. Orchard, a piece of land on which fruit trees are grown. Humus, soil made from dead leaves and plants.